Hi, and welcome to another Agile Ticketing Solution video tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to create a new user in the web portal. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to portal.agiletix.com, and then you're going to log in with your user credentials. Next, you're going to select users. As you can see, we have some users already in the system, but I'm going to generate and create a brand new user. So I'm going to click on Add New User. And this is where we're going to populate all of their information. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to enter in the username. We generally recommend that it's the first initial last name, all in lowercase. Next, you're going to enter in the full name of the user. And you're going to put their AKA name. We do recommend that you put an email address for this user as well as a phone number like the direct line at the office or a cell phone number in here. That allows us to actually contact that person if need be via email or by phone if there's any return phone calls for support. Now, when you're creating a password for this user, if they are not physically there to generate their brand new password, we always recommend that you check mark require password change at next login, and then go ahead and do a temporary password, something that's easy for you to remember and pass along to that user. So for this one, I'm just going to go in and enter in a basic. We want to make sure that there's at least one uppercase, one lowercase, and a special character. And it needs to be between 8 and 15 characters long. So if this user is allowed to receive communications from Agile, which is our email that tells about updates or any new product changes, we want to go ahead and select Receive Agile Communications. So if this user is a manager for your organization and has permissions to make administrative requests, go ahead and check Allow Agile Administrative Requests. That way, if there is an issue that the person has called in to Agile after hours or for support reasons, we'll know that this person has the permissions to make those executive changes. Also, go ahead and ask this person to create a security passphrase. Again, this allows Agile support to be able to go in and confirm that when this person calls in, they are who they are. We can ask them for that security phrase and confirm that they are the person that has permissions to do any changes to the software. Next, you want to make sure that you are selecting the correct security roles. Now, some organizations will have multiple different security type roles depending on what they are able to do for your organization. So you generally have like a system administrator, and then you have a front of house manager, and then you have cashiers. So you would see multiple security roles that are under here. So you want to make sure that when you're creating a brand new user that you're selecting the correct security role. So for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and select my Art House System Administrator. And once I've got everything completed, we're going to go ahead and save changes. And now that user is in the software and they are ready to log in and start using Agile. Thanks for joining us today. If you've got any questions, feel free to contact us at support@agiletix.com.